Yeah, so there you go. That's the first look. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I went from basic babe to like being a baddie in like 2 seconds, to be honest. So cute. I think it's cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a very big surprise. I big chopped my hair. Woo! So I'm finally back to natural. I've been thinking about this for so long. Like I've literally been just thinking and I'm like, oh my god, I just want to go back to natural. So finally, after 7 months of transitioning, here we are, big chop. But of course, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know. And if you don't, here's my handle, so please follow me. So as you know, you guys, we're chasing length. Literally, we're chasing length. And that's the reason why I have matutas on my head. Okay, they're not really matutas, they're actually twists. So I decided I'm gonna just be getting like very easy twists, and I'm gonna be wearing wigs on top of this. Because listen, we are chasing length and we're chasing health. And I feel like when your hair is stretched and you leave it alone, that's all you need to do for your hair. Honestly, make sure your scalp is clean. At least with this, I have access to my scalp. And it's also amazing that I can wash my hair, I can moisturize my hair, and I can like reach my scalp and like moisturize my scalp, massage my scalp if I need to. And when I'm going out, what I do is I wear wigs. Thanks to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video, because they came at the perfect time and their hair quality is bomb. So this is me unboxing the product. Oh my god, look at the packaging. It's so nice, and honestly, some details. It's always the small details that count. I really like the fact that they took their time to write a letter from the brand ambassador. There's also like a full wig instruction book, which is fantastic if you're a beginner. I feel like this brand is just catered for women who are new. It just makes your life very easy, and it focuses a lot on afro hair. It comes with a really nice silk bag to keep your wig in. I love that. I really love the attention to detail in this brand. This is how the hair looks like outside, just from the box. It looks very curly, that's for sure, and it feels very soft. That was my first impression. I was like, it feels very soft. I like the fact that it doesn't have like the weft here, so it's like an invisible weft at the front, so you can blend it in very easily. It also has a drawstring, so you can actually wear it as, if you have longer hair and you can tie a ponytail, you can actually wear this as a ponytail. So it can work like a half wig, and it can also act as a ponytail, like a drawstring, and it can also act like if you want like a low puff. Oh my gosh, you can do so much with it. So I love the fact that it's like, it has the clips as well for security, so that's fantastic. So for me, to be honest, I'm going to show you how quick and easy. So first things first is I'm going to protect my hair with a wig cap. Oh man, I love how short my hair is, and I can just put a wig cap on and keep it moving. It's so fantastic. So once that's done, so easy, I'm going to take this, put it on my head. So that's like the first impression, and it's just like I've just literally thrown on the hair. It's just the way it is from the box. So we've not even added water, we haven't styled it yet, and it still looks like fairly okay. If you have matutas at the front or like wig lines and you don't want to take them out, it actually looks cute in my opinion. You can actually put like 2 pins over here. So to make like bangs, I'm gonna take like a section of hair from this side, and I'm gonna just like put it up this way. So I just take a pin and secure the front, and that will make this like little bangs that like covers up, you know, anything that's not necessary. There you go, that's the first look. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? So I went from basic babe to like being a baddie in like 2 seconds, to be honest. So that's the first look. Honestly, this is like literally 5 minutes, and I'm gonna show you the next look that you won't even believe. I also do like a middle part, and it's just like very easy. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I'm gonna be showing you if you want a more elaborate and more like, you know, blending in kind of hairstyle. So I'm gonna have to take down a few of my twists at the front, and then I'm gonna define the curls for you so you can see the potential. I've just put some water on the wig, and now I'm gonna use the Curl Expression L'Oreal Professional Paris to get like more definition. style, I'm going to take out a few pieces of the front hair just because I feel like it's going to blend more and it's going to be like a more, you know, elaborate hairstyle. So this is the hair. As you can see, the curl definition. Oh my god. A lazy girl hairstyle, a lazy girl wig to have. It's extremely versatile, so I absolutely love that. Ooh. At this point I realized my microphone had died, so this is me just like tucking my hair under just to see if there's like options to have my hair under instead of over, which makes it so much easier to like blend in. And it actually worked really well. So if your hair is open, this wig would blend fantastically, to be honest. Then I also tried a side part, and then next I put my hair up in an updo. So the updo took me a little bit of like fondling around just because I had the braids at the front and at the back. But if your hair is open and everything, trust me, like you just gel your hair down a little bit and then it blends perfectly. It actually looks really cute in my opinion. I like the braids at the front as well. So I just wanted to tell you about shipping. So basically shipping is very easy. It was actually between when I ordered it to when I got it in Nairobi at my doorstep was only 10 days. So there's so many shipping companies you can use. I personally like to ship with like Shop and Ship because this company actually ships hair from China. So what I do is like I'll use Shop and Ship by Aramex, or you can use like Kentex Cargo, you can use Savo Store. These companies will actually help you ship in the product. So what you'll do is like when you're checking out, when you're buying the hair, you put in the address for one of these companies that ship directly to Kenya. So personally, I usually put not the China address, but I use a Dubai address because I realized Dubai takes a shorter time to get to Nairobi. So if you're one of those people who are just like, come on, quickly. Also, there's less issues with the customs because less people are shipping from from Dubai. So usually I'll just ask the company for their Dubai address, and I'll ask HerGivenHair, like on checkout, I'll give them my Dubai address. So they'll ship it to Dubai. Then from Dubai, the Shop and Ship will ship it to me in Kenya. So it's a bit of a process, but trust me, it's very easy. It took 10 days. Simple. Once you get the hang of it, it's a-okay. So Shop and Ship has a standard fee of 1 kg because the box is very light. It's less than a kg. So you're going to pay that standard 1 kg fee, which is like the minimum fee. And that's literally depending on the company you're going to ship with. Most of them range from $13 to $15. So yeah, you don't have to worry about paying too much for delivery. Yeah. And what else? If you have a custom wig, then of course it's gonna take longer. So just check on the HerGivenHair website, and all the details will be down below as usual. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments down below. So yeah, guys, I'm very excited. Honestly, my big chop hair journey is just like it's gonna involve a lot of like this kind of things. So I'm excited to share those with you. The reason I wanted to big chop is because I knew there's many solutions like this. Like you don't have to worry about if your hair is damaged and you're worried about big chopping and looking funny. There's many solutions like these. They have headband wigs. They have like all these different types of wigs, frontals. If you're into the wig life, it's actually very helpful, and if you use correctly, can really help your hair grow. So yes, thanks for watching my video. Part 2 will be me talking about lessons learned from natural to relaxed and back to natural. I think I've gathered quite a bit of experience. So yeah, I have a lot to say. I got a lot to say, but yeah, I'll be sharing that in the next video. So watch out for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Mwah.